Ever wonder why some people seem stuck in the same place year after year? It might have everything to do with their evening habits. What if the way you end your day is holding you back? In this video, we're going to uncover the surprising habits that prevent people from moving forward in life. Stay tuned, because you might be falling into these traps without even realizing it. But before we get started, if you're new here, please like the video and subscribe. Statistics show that only a small percentage of my viewers are subscribed, so if you find this content helpful, make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's jump into it. 1. Procrastination and the "I'll do it tomorrow" mentality. We've all been there, telling ourselves we'll start that project or tackle that goal tomorrow. But when this becomes a habit, it can seriously delay your progress in life. Procrastination isn't just poor time management. It's often tied to deeper issues like fear of failure or perfectionism. By constantly putting things off, you're not just delaying action, you're delaying your growth. Breaking free from the tomorrow trap starts with recognizing how this habit is holding you back. Every day is a chance to move forward, but it's up to you to seize that opportunity. 2. Overworking into the night. It might seem like working late into the night is a sign of productivity, but research shows that overworking actually does more harm than good. It leads to burnout, poor decision-making, and reduced creativity. It's not the quantity of hours you work, but the quality. Instead of staying up late, try setting a strict bedtime. By getting enough rest, you give your brain the chance to recharge and come up with fresh ideas. 3. Neglecting self-reflection. At the end of a long day, it's tempting to switch off your brain and zone out. But spending a few minutes reflecting on your actions and progress can be a game changer. Self-reflection allows you to recognize your strengths and weaknesses and make adjustments to improve. Without it, you might find yourself repeating the same mistakes, stuck in a loop. So, instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media, take a moment to reflect. It could unlock new insights and help you move forward. 4. Skipping self-care. Life is busy, and it's easy to push self-care to the side. But the truth is, taking care of yourself is essential for long-term progress. Self-care isn't about being lazy or unproductive. It's about recharging your mental and emotional energy. Whether it's reading a book, taking a walk, or getting a good night's sleep, self-care helps you show up as your best self the next day. Skipping it leaves you drained and unmotivated, making it harder to move forward. 5. Staying in your comfort zone. Comfort zones are great for feeling safe, but they're not great for growth. If you're spending every evening doing the same things, watching the same shows, and sticking to the same routine, you're missing out on opportunities to expand your horizons. Growth happens when we push ourselves beyond what's familiar. So, try something new. Whether it's reading a different genre of book, learning a new skill, or taking on a challenge. You might be surprised by how much stepping out of your comfort zone can change your life. 6. Missing out on opportunities to learn. If your evenings are spent binge-watching shows or endlessly scrolling, you could be missing valuable opportunities for personal growth. Instead of only consuming content, consider how you can use that time to learn something new. Read a book, watch an educational video, or sign up for an online course. Your evenings are a chance to invest in yourself and build new skills that can propel you forward. 7. Failing to set goals and plans. Without a clear direction, it's easy to feel lost. If you're not setting goals or making plans for the future, you're likely stuck in a cycle of inaction. Setting goals gives you a roadmap for your life and helps you focus your energy on what really matters. Use your evenings to reflect on your goals and plan the steps you need to take to achieve them. A little planning each night can make a huge difference in your progress. 8. Forgetting the power of consistency. Finally, one of the most important habits for moving forward is consistency. Whether it's learning, growing, or practicing self-care, small, consistent actions add up over time. It's easy to start something with excitement, but progress comes from sticking with it. Even if the steps feel small, consistency is what makes them count. Keep at it, and over time, you'll see the results.